Hey friends, if you wish to know where to download Java 64-bit and 32-bit for Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So it's very easy. All you need to do is go to java.com and hit enter. Okay, and then click on download Java. Okay, and then click on download Java once again. And then it will start downloading Java. It will automatically pick up the processor type. Like in my case, it automatically picked up, as you can see where I'm hovering the mouse, that it's a 64-bit system. So you'll download the 64-bit one. So you don't need to worry about it. Click on yes. Okay. And then click on install, and it will start installing Java on your system. And then you can proceed with whatever program you want to, which requires Java. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.